Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make curved text on Canva. So a curved text or a round text, you can do that on Canva, and I'm gonna show you how you can make one. So first, you need to go to text and also just add a text box, or you can just add a heading. So I'm going to just add a heading here, and I'm going to just type in my tags in here. Oops, like this big cell, for example. And then after that, just click on effects and then find at the bottom there is shape. Just click on curve like this, and you can adjust the direction, whether you want to go like this or go like this. And I'm going to just make a round text, so I'm going to go like this big cell. I'm going to just adjust the line spacing. Oops, I mean the letter spacing. This one's right here, so that it will be like this. And I'm going to add another text, sale. Here I'm going to like that, and then go to effects again and find curve, and now I'm going to go with this direction, excel. So you can just go like this. Okay guys, so that is how you can make curved text on Canva. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.